Hello guys and welcome back. So in this episode we are going to put some external wall insulation on a timber frame house. Now we are just going to start to stick our EPS boards on. I'm going to do it with my normal adhesive, just glue it with that, but it can actually be done even with foam, or there are some solution glue that you can just brush it on either on the OSB or the EPS board and it's going to get stuck. The adhesive, which is this one, you don't need to put a lot because you want to be very close to the timber. You don't want to have air gaps, too many air gaps, so we don't have to put a lot of adhesive on. So yeah, another small problem is right here. Usually when you start, you will have to have minimum of 150 mil, 15 centimeter from the floor to that rail, and we don't have that. Probably they will take some of these slabs off at a certain point and make a little bit more space, but meanwhile I just told my client, because definitely the side underneath it will have to be painted with some black paint, bitumen, whatever, something that is going to be weatherproof, you know, and it's not going to reach the OSB, because then it's going to rot and it's not going to be good. Now if we have the 150 mil, the splashes when it's going to rain is not going to go underneath that and it's not going to splash the timber, so you have to be quite careful with that. So right, we are ready to glue some boards, so let's do this. So alright guys, all the EPS boards are done now, and we started with the mechanical fixings. This is going to be our second stage, and right now I'm going to pass on the corner beads. He is going to put the mechanical fixings and I'm going to do the corner beads. So yeah, it's already starting to look a little bit better than before. It's going to be amazing at the end. And voila, second stage done. Now we just need a little bit of cleaning here and there, but the adhesive is always alright because it's not that strong. So with a wet cloth with wet cloth is going straight away off. And yeah, it's easy. It's quite easy to clean the adhesive. The silicone render, it's more difficult to clean, and definitely as a top coat, as a final coat, is going to be a silicone render from Licata. So alright, I think we are going to call it a day, and yeah, we are going to come tomorrow and start with the mesh. Now I had some adhesive and I just put that small bit over there, and yeah, we didn't waste it any. So guys, see you in a bit. Alright guys, so we came back and we started to put the adhesive reinforced with mesh. So now I'm just going to start on this wall to apply all the adhesive, and then I'm just going to embed the mesh in. and done, guys. Now it's just going to be the primer and the top coat. We are just going to leave it to go off to dry, then we are going to come back and do our final coat. So see you in a bit.